The device includes spare fuses for internal fuse replacement in case of malfunction. Use a screwdriver to open the fuse holder and replace the damaged fuse with a spare. Remove the pre-installed screw. Mount the bracket to the main unit. Then attach the handle holder to the bracket. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Remove the screws from the brackets on the sides of the main unit. Then attach the handle holders to the brackets. Connect the handle cords to the main unit. The two sockets are identical. 7 treatment heads available. Always fill the treatment head with water before use. Remove the 4 screws from the gray shell. Then detach the shell from the head. Remove the rubber plug and use an injection syringe to fill water until it flows out from the hole. Secure the rubber plug. Reattach the gray shell and tighten the screws. All 7 heads follow the same filling procedure. Attach the treatment head to the handle. The handle icon will then appear on the screen. Place all the handles and treatment heads on the holder. Connect the power cord. Press the power button, then press the button on the top of the main unit to turn on the machine. The treatment head model will appear on the screen. For example, if L7-1.5 appears on the left, it indicates that the current treatment head is the L7-1.5mm model. Current displays the number of shots used during the current treatment since the device was turned on. Remain indicates the remaining available shots. Pitch, distance between energy output points, 1 to 2.0 mm. Length of operative surface, 5 to 25 mm. Energy range, 0.1 to 2.0 J, M1, preset at 0.7 J, M2, preset at 1.0 J. Always start the treatment at the lowest energy level, single. Each press of the handle button emits a single shot. Repeat, each press of the handle button emits a series of shots. Total shots used since the device was last started. Shot count information, shot count details of each treatment heads of current treatment. Tap clear button to 0 clearing, tap it with caution. L7-1.5 mm setting. Pitch, 1 mm. Length, 5 mm. Energy, 0.1 J. Energy release mode, single. Tap the L4-4.5 head icon to adjust its parameters. L4-4.5 setting. Pitch, 1 mm. Length, 10 mm. Energy, 0.5 J. Energy release mode, single. Press the button on the top of the main unit and the power button to power off the device, then unplug the power cord.